My name is Shaun Welmans. I'm the COO for AgriSkills Transfer. We started looking into going into a different online platform, having used different types in the past, and we went on what I would call a hunt, if you would, for the best system, and we had a very specific vision of what we wanted to do. In the past, I had used coders and developers to build online platforms, but always there would be certain challenges or glitches. And this becomes an issue when the people who build it hand it off and do not understand how the system works. We wanted to look for a system where we can actually build inside our own platforms. And at that stage, that's when my path had crossed with the team from New Leaf. I started initially speaking with Mike and Paul, and we got together into a room. We painted what it is that we wanted to achieve. And I think from the start, the entire team understood exactly what we wanted to do. So much so that I took kindly to the team at New Leaf because Paul, from his background, used to come from an agricultural perspective as well. And he gave valuable insights, not just from a New Leaf perspective, but from our very own inside agriculture. That had massive value because it means we already start speaking the same language. In the latter part of last year, there was legislative changes in the agricultural environment, specifically relating to pest control operators. There was a massive urgency to this, and as we set out, it was literally, I think, a phone call and a WhatsApp. There wasn't even time to put it on email. Lisa and the team, they grabbed the opportunity and they ran with it. We were able to go to market very quickly, and at the moment we have trained in excess of 500 commercial farmers. That is a testimony of massive success. Last year, we saw high value items that typically never would have sold on an online platform, which we've never seen. And we are currently selling them by the month. So the industry gains trust, the ecosystem starts developing, and you are now able to move inside of that ecosystem where you can add different kinds of value, both short and long term, and that increases to how the company then has a footprint or a reach, both locally, globally, and wherever you then aim to position that product in. But a lot of people would like to sell you what they would call an LMS, a learner management system. This is very different from that. This is integrated, it becomes part of your business as a valuable resource. The aNewSpring platform and the New Leaf team have brought that to us, where other systems are extremely limited, and the time it takes and the issues that do come up are just consistent. So I applaud the product. I haven't regarded New Leaf as a client. I've regarded them as part of the family that do what we do, because without them we can't achieve it. I would definitely recommend to any person in this specific environment, there's always a way of finding a solution. The team is professional. If they give you their word on something that it will be done, it's going to be done. And if there isn't a solution right now, I can guarantee that it will be found, and they would come forward in providing.